What's up, Matt from Urchfab here. Welcome to the first of many videos on our newest project, which is a Mercedes Sprinter camper van 2001, which I bought sight unseen off eBay for 1,750 quid. We'll have a little run through all the good bits, all the bad bits, and then we're going to start pulling out everything. So starting with the worst areas of the van is this door. The bottom of it is completely rotted out inside and outside, but you can get a complete replacement panel for that inside piece and this outside piece, so I'll replace that whole bottom section of that door. A little bit of rust here where the rubber stop was, and there's some rust that someone's had to go at treating on this seam, but none of it's actually rusted through. So that is all easy to fix.
Follow me, gentlemen.
Ladies.
Around the back,
And gentle ladies.
we've got some rot in the bottom of this door.
Disgusting.
We got some rot here.
Rotten.
Don't look too close. On the positive side, we've also got reverse parking sensors.
Yay.
Ooh.
They don't work.
Some vents for, this is where the
Being
fridge and cooker would be. Bit more of a rusty seam. We've got a water tank, which is under here.
Oh wow.
And it's got a, I don't know, pretty big water tank, maybe 40 litres I'd say. All the boys want to see the undercarriage.
Yes.
Trust me. Look at the sills. Mint condition Sprinter sills.
Amazing.
Have you ever seen? Look how
No.
rust free it is underneath. It's quite hard to see,
It's amazing.
but it's really rust free underneath. It's just dirty, needs to get washed. Front arches,
Yes.
no rust there, really good, solid, which is
Really good.
not usual.
Yes.
Not usual, is that right?
Unusual?
Unusual.
Got a window. Very nice window. Window that you can open.
What about those rusty patches at the top?
Rusty, that's just,
Yeah, good window. My
that's
window.
weirdly, I don't know, it's like the paint's like peeled off or something. There's no holes or anything, so that just needs painting.
No holes. No holes.
Up front we have got wood effect dash trim.
Wood.
Have you ever seen such glorious trim in a Mercedes Sprinter? Get the mileage, bro.
The mileage.
Let's have a look under the bonnet. Oh, look at it. Oh, I think that's a diesel heater.
Rusty. It's so
So
crusty,
you can
musty.
heat
So
the
crusty,
cab when you're without the engine running. Needs a good wash. Oh, everyone's going to want to hear it.
If you would step up here, my dearest viewers.
So all of this is coming out because it's. I was hoping that we would be able to reuse
This is my seats.
some of it.
This
but
is my
it's,
seats.
It's all kind of
Look at
falling
this.
apart. Looks
Look
like
at
it's
this
got wet.
window.
I'm going to get to the windows, bro.
We've got a
So all this is being ripped out. All this will come out. We'll just strip it back to a completely bare van. The skylights are obviously staying because they are a good feature of the van. These have got like curtain things that come across.
Okay.
And then we've got these windows which fully open that also have the oops.
The bug window. Yeah,
Bug
look at
now.
that.
We got swiveling
Yeah,
seats, you've seen those.
Um,
We got overhead cabinets which are all falling apart.
Very nice, very nice.
We got some
What do you mean?
random wires. This is another vent that you twist this thing and it pops up the
Wow.
back of there. Look. And this one
Well.
is
Oh my god.
I couldn't work out how to open this, and then I found a remote which doesn't work because the thing's broke, but this is electric, so it's got lights on it.
You can open this. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my god! Ah!
Overhead storage.
Hello.
Oh, I've been looking for this. Looking for this.
Oh yeah. Finally.
My work t-shirts will finally be nice and uncreased.
Whoa!
What, you think you're just going to sit there and film like the queen?
Yep.
She is the queen.
Can't get this bit off there. Oops.
Oh.
Would have used this.
Crispy. But dry.
Yay!
What are your thoughts?
My thoughts are, what a mess.
Indeed.
What are your thoughts?
It's gonna be very great when it's finished. And subscribe now.
can make it into an ice cream pan. Right, so this is the panels, repair panels I've got so far. These are the rear door repair panels. Didn't really need this much of it, but it was actually cheaper to buy the full set than just buying like individual. You could buy the smaller sections. Some of these are galvanized. That's definitely galvanized. I think these are galvanized as well. So this is two back doors and the two inner sections for the back doors, and then this is the sliding door and the whole outer piece. I think that was 145 quid for all those. So I've got the missus helping me out now with the editing and the filming.
You're going to sit in that chair there.
Who?
You.
Sit in what chair?
You're going to sit in that chair.
Me?
Yeah.
And do what?
I'm going to interview about the van.
I wasn't ready for that.
That's what we're doing.
I didn't know I was sitting in this chair.
Yeah, you're getting a bloody interview.
Alright. We've just been to Castle Combe to watch some of the racing with the Classic Touring Car Club. So she filmed all that, and going to put a little video of that together, so that should be up this week as well. Thanks to everyone who's got a ticket for the raffle for the welder and the helmet. I've sold 220 something tickets for the welder, 90 tickets for the welding helmet, so good odds at the minute if you want to have a go at that. The details are in the description, or you can go straight to my website, urchfab.com. There's a little tab, it says raffle. That finishes Sunday night. That's going to be it for this one. Cheers for watching. See you on the next one.